Hello everyone, welcome to Radiology cases tutorial. Today we are going to discuss the sonographic features of pelvic inflammatory disease. So first of all, pelvic inflammatory disease is an acute clinical syndrome and it is associated with ascending spread of microorganism, and it is unrelated to the pregnancy or the surgery. The infection generally ascends from the vagina or cervix and causes the inflammation of the vagina or the cervix, and it may ascend to the endometrium, which may cause endometritis, and then to the fallopian tubes, which may cause the salpingitis or the hydrosalpinx or the pyosalpinx. The ultrasound of the early stage pelvic inflammatory disease show the ovaries, which may appear enlarged with the multiple small peripheral follicles due to the surrounding inflammation. And in the advanced stage, which may cause a Tubo-Ovarian Abscess, and it shows a complex multi-loculated adnexal mass with a thick irregular walls and internal septations, and the fluid debris levels may be seen within the abscess cavity. As here you can see a transverse transvaginal image of the pelvis, and here you can see the uterus, and this one is the left adnexa, this one is the right adnexa, and this image shows the bilateral adnexal masses, and these adnexal masses are due to the pelvic inflammatory disease. And here you can see that the margins of the bilateral ovaries are not clearly visible, and it is due to the surrounding inflammatory material. And here you can see a longitudinal transvaginal image of the retrovertebral uterus. Here you can see the myometrium of the uterus, this one is the endometrium, and here you can see the endometrial cavity is distended, which is showing the internal fluid levels due to the layering of the purulent material. And here you can see a transverse transvaginal image of the right adnexa, and it shows the purulent material which shows the internal low level echoes. And here you can see the right ovary is visible with peripheral arrangement of small follicles. And here you can see another case of pelvic inflammatory disease. This is a longitudinal transvaginal image of the left adnexa, and it shows the markedly dilated fallopian tubes with internal low level echoes due to the purulent material, and this condition is called pyosalpinx, and this is due to the pelvic inflammatory disease. And here you can see another case of pelvic inflammatory disease which shows the Tubo-Ovarian Abscess. This one is a grayscale and this one is a color Doppler image of the right adnexa, and here you can see a multi-loculated large mass, and these loculations are due to the purulent material. And here the ovary and the fallopian tubes are not clearly visible, and this is due to the tissue breakdown of the ovary and the fallopian tubes. And here you can see the blood flow is seen between the tissues, and no significant blood flow is seen within these locations. So this is a Tubo-Ovarian Abscess, and this Tubo-Ovarian Abscess is due to the pelvic inflammatory disease.